A Knot in the Soul, the second episode of To Your Eternity's third season, features Fushi continuing to get used to the contemporary world while assembling his resurrected friends at Yuki's home. However, the episode takes a disturbing turn when Mizuha, the most recent reincarnation of Hayase, vanishes, leaving her friend Hana and admirer Yuki worried about her whereabouts. Fushi awakens in the modern era after a protracted slumber, brings his companions March, Gugu, and Banchien back to life, and extends an invitation for them to join him at the residence of Yuki, a high school student. The buddies are seen in the episode adapting to contemporary life, and they share a lot of amusing conversations as they learn about new technology and social norms. Despite the widespread belief that the knockers had been wiped out, the being that formerly controlled Kahaku is now residing in Mizuha, the 18th incarnation of Hayase, who has been secretly recruiting other knockers. Mizuha becomes fixated with Fushi in the present day and expresses her wish to have his kid. When her mother finds out that Fushi is back, she chooses to relocate because she is aware of this obsession and the secrets of the past. Mizuha vanishes out of nowhere after her mother's choice. Yuki, who is in love with Mizuha, and Hana, her classmate, get more and more concerned about her whereabouts. Particularly in light of her unsettling encounters with Fushi, her disappearance gives rise to a fresh sense of unease. The newly formed, improvised family of Fushi, March, Gugu, and Banchien has adjusted to modern life by the end of the show. The disappearance of Mizuha, however, shatters their joy. The conclusion, which reinforces the idea that Fushi's history, in the guise of Hayase's, continues to be a source of lingering conflict even in this time of relative peace, leaves viewers with a sense of renewed tension. The threat of reincarnation and the knockers remains real and personal. The season is set up by the enigma of Mizuha's disappearance, her fixation on Fushi, and the potential for a fresh knocker conspiracy. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned in this channel for latest upcoming updates on this series. And add a bookmark in this channel for further upcoming updates on movies, anime, and web series. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share our channel. And for latest updates, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.